This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming admin access and making a reliable backup. Do not skip this. Once done, locate the exact storage and partitions you will clear, because deleting the wrong device is irreversible. Stop any services that write to those locations. This prevents corruption. Make sure to record configuration files and system logs so you can restore settings later. Now open a secure shell or local console and verify device ID, since accurate targets are essential for safe, clean deletion. You unmount volumes and stop dependent services before touching data, because live writes undermine wipes. Next, choose a method. Use file-level secure delete for individual files or a block-level wipe dd with /dev/0 or shred for entire partitions. Run the chosen tool with appropriate flags and monitor progress. Wiping a large SSD may take hours. After the main wipe, clear swap and file system journals so metadata cannot recover. Make sure to verify device emptiness using checksums or a disk viewer. You finish by recreating file systems, restoring required configs, or leaving the device unformatted for disposal. Explain why each choice fits your goal. Then verify results. Run FSCK, SmartDel health checks, and compare checksums or file lists against backups to confirm deletion and correctness. If things go wrong, boot from rescue media, mount devices read-only, and inspect system logs to locate failures. This single troubleshooting tip often reveals permission errors or missed swap partitions. Finally, document the steps you performed for auditability.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.